In Makati, Mayor Junjun Binay says the residents were given enough time to relocate. Ron Gagalak reports.
Demolition! Tutulan! Labanan! Mapahintulutan! Di baka!
Residents of Guatemala compound in Makati were ready to fight off any demolition team early Monday morning. They carried with them stones, bottles, and wood. Some positioned themselves on a roof carrying Molotov bombs.
Ang protekta lang para di sila makapasok sa amin. Saka sakali man may tamaan sa kanila. Kasi ginawa na namin, gagawin talaga namin lahat para protektahan namin yung lugar namin.
When the demolition team arrived 11:30 in the morning, they were given a rude welcome by residents. The demolition team retreated, and after an hour, they made a second attempt to enter the compound, this time with a fire truck in the lead. Firemen sprayed water at the residents, who continued to retaliate. After 15 minutes, 2 fire trucks ran out of water, forcing another retreat on the part of the demolition team. A priest arrived on the scene and tried to ask both sides to sit down and talk peacefully.
There's no need for bloodshed. There's no need for fighting. There's no need for rioting. Okay? We'll try to negotiate peacefully. Okay? And if it can be peacefully done, then no problem.
But no compromise was reached. At 2 in the afternoon, the demolition team again tried to enter the compound, this time using a payloader. But they were thwarted again. Accompanied by police and firemen and with the use of tear gas, they finally managed to enter the compound on their 4th attempt. Many elderly residents had to be rushed to the hospital, and police arrested some people believed to have started the violence. 16 members of the demolition team were injured. There is no record how many were hurt among the residents who scrambled and left the area. Makati Mayor Junjun Binay says the 250 families in the compound were given time to relocate and were even given money by the city government.
2004 pa nung pinapakiusapan yung mga tao na lumipat na dahil nga gagamitin na ito ng Barangay San Isidro. And after the decision of the court was rendered in favor of the city government, we gave them another 1 month to vacate the area. Minabuti na namin, nabigyan na rin sila ng 24,000 pesos or relocation doon sa Calauan, Laguna.
Security guards will now be deployed in the area, which will be turned into a barangay hall and a covered court. Ron Gagalak, ABS-CBN News.